Okay, hello everyone. Here is the demo of one of the on-demand service application that we built for our customer. Okay, so I'm starting with the login and registration for customer. This is the splash screen. Now here is the login. So for example, if you are a customer, you can log in from here, and you can also select sign up option. Okay, so first, whenever the customer comes first time, he can select whether he is a customer or a service provider. So for example, I'm logging in as a customer. Okay, so these are the details that I need to fill in. For example, first name, last name, username, email address. So these all are the mandatory fields to sign up as a customer. Mobile number, password, confirm password, address, city. So to get the address, the motto behind getting the address is to locate the location of the customer, and we need to accept all the terms and service conditions, and then we can submit. So I have already created an account, so I'm not going into. So verification will be there by OTP and by email address. So I'm not going into it because I already have an account built as a customer. So let's start with my customer account. I am logging in, and my password, here we go. So this is the home screen, the dashboard, where you can see all the various services. For example, electrician, plumbing, and any additional services. So you can add as many services as you want. These are the demo services which our customer wanted. Now going into the drawer, we can see the home screen. I've already shown you. You can see your profile. This is the profile screen, so you can add your picture, you can add your detail like username, email, mobile number, the city you're located. Okay, and then you can update it anytime. So though we have already filled this information, but if you want to update it, you can update it later on. This is the notification section. You can see all the notification like upcoming job, confirmed job, whatever your appointments are. So all the notification will stand here. This is the job history. Here you can see 4 different sections. The first one is the order, which is your current order. Second one is your upcoming bookings. Third is consultation. So in the application, as we go along, I'll show you there is an option for booking the consultation for. So let's say if there's a job which can be done by consulting over the phone, you can do that. And the last one is the recurring option, using which you can book specific services which are required weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, whatever it is. So this is the recurring section for the customer. Okay, now going into the setting page, you can change your password, and you can see terms and conditions. Currently it's empty. Privacy policies, frequently asked question, and if at all you want to delete your account, you can also remove it. Okay, and the final is the sign out option. Okay, now coming on to the order process. Now I'm going onto the home again. So let's say for example I want to book an electrician. I'm going into electrician. These are the electricians which are located nearby me. This is the list view. I can also locate them using the map option, the map view option on the top. So here you can see the map, all the service provider near you. You can see the mark. So these are the service provider near me, so I can see which is the nearest. Also if I click on it, the detail will be shown about the service provider. Okay, now going back to so for example, let's say out of these electrician I select this one. Now here you can see, you can see the status of the service provider. Let's say if I request from the other phone, if I request, I make this service provider online, the status will be shown as green. Currently it's offline. So there are various things which can be. So for example, let's say now from the other phone I logged in as a service provider, and I made this particular service provider online. Now you can see it's green. Now You can see his details like name, electrician, and charges, available timings. If you want, you can also chat. So if required, to discuss anything which is related to the job. Now here you can see four options. First one is the order now. So second one is the book an appointment. So let's say if you want to book an appointment for letter, you can do it. You just need to enter all the job name, job description, timings, dates, whether it's hourly, weekly, monthly, purpose, and you can also take a picture and upload it. So this is the appointment section. Do it yourself is the consultation section, where you just need a consultation, so you can also fill in the detail and submit the form. So the service provider will call you. There will be a fixed cost, and you can do the job by yourself. And then the recurring booking, here you can do the recurring booking for, let's say, for weekly, hourly, monthly, like that. Now for the demo purpose, I am booking a order. So from the first option, let's say I want to book my uh, let's say electricity issue, electric switch not working. Okay, I can put in some detail about the job description, so it's dummy. Some mandatory fields are like, these are the by default. It's today's date, so I can change it. Okay, start date and date should be the same because it's not a big task. Okay, start time, I can select whatever time I want. Okay, end time, for example, it's an hour job. So, and these are the amount. So because once you call or chat with the service provider, you can change the final amount. So let's say I discuss with service provider, the final amount comes to 400. Okay, and then I can upload a picture as well. You just need to allow the permission. I can take a photo, take from gallery, whatever it is. Okay, and then just purpose of the job. So here you can describe in detail that what exactly the problem is, and submit. Please confirm your job request. So I'm confirming it. Yes. So the electric now the order sent successfully, and an alert will come. So here it will redirect you to the job screen, where you can see here is your booking, and you can see the status, it's still pending from the service provider side. So from the other mobile, I will do the confirmation. I will log in as a service provider. So hold on. So that you can check in real time how this process work. I can see my bookings, consultation, recurring bookings, or so some additional option by the time I confirm it from the other mobile, some additional options like you can chat, you can track once the service provider accepts it. Now you can see the status changed to in process. Okay, so the customer has now, from once the accepts once the service provider accept the request, you get some other options like pay for this job, and tracking and update status. So I have clicked on update status, and service provider number, this is this. Please press call button to make a call. So I can directly call from here. Okay, so this is the flow of so once that is complete, you can also see the same this job. Now this is confirmed. You can see I went into the confirm section, and I can download the invoice directly. I can track where the service provider is once the job is completed. So let's say if there is an invoice, so I can download. This is the invoice, you can see. Okay, Fine. So here was a quick demo, and now in my next demo I will also include the further process will be the job will be finished on the service provider app. I'll be signing as confirmed, and then we can finish the job. So here it was the quick demo. In my next demo I'll include the service provider section. Thanks.